Rylstone's historic walk. This is number 1, the School of Arts in 1910. Rylstone Memorial Hall, 1926. Stop 2 is Jackson Corner. It was originally constructed in stone and a disastrous fire took it out in 1927. This building was rebuilt in 1929. This was Jackson's house and his stone barn. Number 3, the Globe Hotel, built out of sandstone in 1880. Site number 4, St. Malachy's Church, built in 1875 to replace a wooden church built in 1850. This was the Dunn store in the 1920s. This building is number 5, Rylstone Garage, built in the 1920s. This building used to be the flour mill and was originally built in 1872. This is number 7, Bridgeview Hotel, now the Bridgeview Inn, built originally in 1872. This is the James Nash House. Unfortunately, there's no date for it. This is Hall's Corner. It's 2 early cottages. There is no date. This is one, and there's the other one on the other side of the street. The dry goods store. It operated as such until the 1900s, and then it became the Masonic Hall. Headingley House was the home of John Hardwick, who owned the dry goods store. It was built in 1859. This is Highfield Cottage, one of the early slab cottages of Rylstone, still standing, built in 1875. This is currently an inn. It used to be Love's Terrace, a house built for the blacksmith, Mr. John Love. Date is 1855. St. James Church of England, the Anglican Church, 1864. Behind the church is the 1850s Rylstone schoolhouse, the first schoolhouse built here, all of slabs. Wesley Methodist Church, built 1884. St. Andrew's Church, 1902. Built in 1872. This is the courthouse and it's still in use today. 1895, the Constable's House with lockup and cells. The Sergeant's House at the rear. This is the post office and telegraph office. Shire Hall originally was built in 1906, and this is the end of the walking tour.